10 Best Shocks for Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Rancho RS 5000X Shocks for 02-08 Ram 1500 4WD 4-inch lift. Ready to truly elevate your 02-08 Ram 1500 4WD with a 4-inch lift? The Rancho RS 5000X Shocks, RS 55283 and RS 55297, deliver the control and comfort your rig demands. This complete set of 4 shocks is specifically engineered for your lifted truck, excluding megacab models, ensuring balanced performance on or off-road, especially when paired with an RS 6572 series system. Installation is a breeze, too. All necessary washers, bushings, and nuts are included. Just reuse your factory mounting bolts. Drive with absolute confidence, knowing Rancho backs these shocks with a limited lifetime warranty against defects and a remarkable 90-day ride guarantee. Experience the Rancho difference today. Number 9. Dodge Ram 1500 4WD Shocks, 1994 to 2001. Ready to get your 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 4WD back in top shape? Our OEM quality shocks are engineered to restore that legendary Ram ride and feel. Forget complicated installations. Our complete quick struts mean no spring compressors or special tools are needed, making replacement safe and incredibly easy. You'll immediately notice improved steering, sharper handling, and enhanced braking, boosting your truck's overall safety and driving comfort. With 100% accuracy of fit, these direct replacements, 344,376, 344,365, are designed for a seamless upgrade. Give your Ram the dependable performance it deserves. A smoother, safer ride is just an install away. Number 8. 02-05 Ram 1500 4WD Shocks Kit. Restore your 02-05 Ram 1500 4WD's legendary ride with our complete shocks kit. Engineered exclusively for your 4x4, excluding SRT10, this comprehensive package includes 2 front and 2 rear shock absorber assemblies, plus 2 new front sway bar end links. Say goodbye to complex installations. Our Detroit axle assemblies arrive complete and ready to bolt on, meaning no special tools or extra work needed, saving you time and hassle. We rigorously test every component for impact, wear, and fatigue, ensuring unmatched quality, durability, and a smooth, confident feel. Upgrade your Ram suspension with a kit designed by experts for enduring performance. Number 7. Amazon's top pick. Upgrade your 2002 to 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 4WD Standard and Crew Cab with Amazon's top pick suspension solution. This complete Detroit axle kit delivers precision and durability, featuring both front and rear shock absorbers engineered specifically for your truck. The ultimate convenience is here. These assemblies arrive fully pre-assembled, ready for immediate, hassle-free installation. Forget complex tools, simply swap them in. Each shock undergoes rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing, guaranteeing exceptional quality and long-lasting performance. Experience a smoother, more controlled ride that restores your Ram's original feel with incredible ease and reliability. This is the smart choice for a superior driving experience, ensuring an effortless upgrade. Number 6. Rough Country 4 to 5-inch front shocks, 02-08 Ram 1500 2WD. Ready to transform your 02-08 Ram 1500 2WD? Rough Country's 4 to 5-inch front shocks aren't just an upgrade, they're a performance revelation. We've engineered these with 10-stage variable valving, giving you unmatched control and a ride that adapts seamlessly, whether you're on pavement or tackling the trail. Experience consistent, fade-free damping thanks to their nitrogen charge and a fast-cooling 54mm body. Our military-spec fluid laughs in the face of minus 50 degrees Celsius temperatures, ensuring unwavering performance in any climate. With robust 36 knots tensile strength, durable rubber bushings for quiet operation, and a spring-loaded piston rod seal, these shocks are built tough to last. Plus, Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty means genuine peace of mind. Unleash your Ram's true potential. Number 5. Rancho RS 5000X Rear Shocks, 09-18 Ram 1500 2.5 to 4-inch lift. Ready to truly unleash your lifted Ram's potential? The Rancho RS 5000X rear shocks, RS 55369, are precision engineered for your 09-18 Ram 1500 4WD sporting a 2.5 to 4-inch rear lift. This rear pair delivers enhanced control and a noticeably smoother, more confident ride, whether you're on the highway or hitting the trails. Installation is a breeze. We include all the necessary washers, bushings, and nuts. Simply reuse your factory mounting bolts. And you can drive with absolute peace of mind. Rancho backs these shocks with a limited lifetime warranty against defects. Plus, experience the difference risk-free with our 90-day ride guarantee. Upgrade your Ram's performance and comfort today. Number 4. Bilstein 5100 Rear Shocks 09-16 Ram 1500 4WD. Ready to unlock the true potential of your 09-16 Ram 1500 4WD? The Bilstein 5100 rear shocks are engineered to redefine your driving experience. Featuring a robust monotube design, these shocks deliver consistent, fade-free performance, ensuring reliability whether you're on the highway or hitting the trails. Their unique velocity-sensitive, digressive piston instantly adapts to changing road conditions, providing unmatched off-road dependability and superior control. You'll immediately notice a significant improvement in ride quality, handling, and overall comfort. Crucially, these aren't a generic solution. They're precisely valved and tuned for your Ram 1500 with a 0 to 1-inch rear lift without air suspension, guaranteeing optimal performance tailored to your truck. Number 3. 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 RWD Shocks. Ready to rediscover the smooth, controlled ride your 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 RWD was meant to have? Our OEM quality shocks are engineered to significantly improve your truck's steering, handling, and braking performance, boosting overall safety on every journey. Forget wrestling with complicated installations. Our complete strut assemblies, quick struts, offer a safe, easy, and tool-free upgrade. No spring compressors or specialized tools needed. For bare shocks, you'll feel an immediate difference in stability and comfort. With 100% accuracy of fit and direct replacement for OEM part numbers like 344398, you're guaranteed the right part. Enhance your Ram's ride and confidence today. Just confirm your fitment for a perfect match. Number 2. Ram 1500 0 to 3-inch lift rear shocks. Ram 1500 owners with a 0 to 3-inch lift. Are you truly ready for a superior, more controlled ride? Your lifted suspension demands specific engineering. Our premium rear shocks, precisely engineered for 2009 to 2023 4WD models, provide the crucial longer travel that prevents uncomfortable bottoming out, ensuring optimal wheel articulation and consistent tire contact. Experience significantly enhanced comfort and stability, whether navigating daily commutes or venturing onto light trails. The advanced twin-tube design, coupled with high-quality natural rubber bushings, masterfully absorbs jarring impacts, road noise, and unwanted vibrations. Constructed from robust, anti-corrosion steel and shielded by a protective dust cover, these shocks guarantee exceptional durability and a longer, reliable service life. Elevate your Ram's performance for a truly smooth, confident, and enduring journey. Number 1. Bilstein 4600 Shocks, Dodge Ram 1500 4WD, 2002 to 2005. Ready to truly unleash your 2002 to 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 4WD? The Bilstein 4600 shocks are purpose-built for it, transforming your driving experience. Imagine navigating any road with newfound confidence thanks to optimum grip and enhanced lane stability, even in demanding situations. Our exclusive digressive valving instantly adapts to changing surfaces, delivering maximum comfort and control both on and off-road. You'll appreciate the rugged monotube design, ensuring consistent, fade-free performance whether you're hauling or hitting the trails. This high-pressure gas design also promises a longer service life, making them incredibly durable. Upgrade your Ram. It's time for superior comfort, stability, and lasting performance. So, that sums up my 10 best shocks for Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,